Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a BellaBox unboxing for you guys. I haven't done one of these in like over a year, I think. I reckon it was like a year ago. I actually only ended up filming one, I believe, but I think I've got like 2 or 3 BellaBoxes in total, but I think I only filmed one. Actually, I want to check when it was that I filmed my BellaBox unboxing because it doesn't feel like that long ago, but at the same time it kind of does. Wait a second, I'm already 2 years deep and I still haven't found it. Oh my god, I just found it and it says October 2015. So apparently when I filmed my BellaBox unboxing, it was October 2015, which is crazy because literally I thought it was like last year and that's like 3 years ago nearly. Wow. But I have gotten like other subscription services like Lust Habit and Lip Monthly. Anyway, it's clear that it's been some time since I got one of these, but the only reason I decided to get another one was because I think it was on Instagram. I saw someone had a $5 off discount code, which I haven't seen for a while. Like, I don't know if they just stopped doing discount codes for a while or something. I don't know. But I hadn't seen that in a while and I was like, you know what? I kind of want to try it out again. It's been a while. And I did see that everyone gets a Tarte lip paint. And I was like, well, that pretty much makes up the price of the box anyway. So I know that even if the rest of the box is crappy, I'll at least like the lip paint, hopefully. But I'm sure I will. But I'm actually super excited to open this up. I saw inside that it's a blue color. I don't know if you can tell there. I've got my other BellaBox right there. I was kind of hoping for a different color, but that's okay. Blue is very nice and it does kind of match my Tiffany bag, so it's cute. And of course reuse these guys. Reuse them, they're so good. Anyway, enough rambling from me. I'm just gonna freaking open this. Also, I was not expecting to film this video today, but I just got home from work and I saw that it was outside my front door and I was like, I really don't want to wait till tomorrow to see what's inside. So I was like, I'm just gonna chuck on some makeup and film it today because I really don't want to wait. So when you open it up, this is what you see. It says Tarte High Performance Naturals Cross BellaBox. So Tarte have actually teamed up with BellaBox for this this month's BellaBox. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that. I don't know who that is, but she's really pretty. It kind of looks like Carissa Poukas, if you guys know who that is, but I don't. No, it's not her. I don't know who it is. Oh, this is so hard to get off. Girl, why are you stuck down? Yeesh. What is this shit? Literally won't slip out. Do I have to break it? I'm so confused. This is not what I signed up for. Also, why I wasn't planning on filming today is because it's freaking about to pour outside. So I'm pretty sure the quality of this video is going to be shitty because I can already tell it looks really dull and gross. But anyway, I'm literally having to rip this thing because I can't slide the box out. There we go. She's been set free. So this is what it looks like inside. It says Spring Shake It Up on this little card here, which is really cute. I love purple, so that is really cute. And I'm not going to actually look at that because I kind of want to be surprised with what I see inside. So the first thing I will show you guys is the Tarte lip paint because that's what I'm most excited about, and I'm hoping this is the nude color. I think it is. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's in the shade Bestie. It looks like a nude, which is perfect because the other one was like a dark plum color. There was 2 options you could get in your box and I wasn't really keen on the plum one. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at it. Oh my god, I have never had a Tarte lip product before, so I'm super excited about this. Is this a full size? It can't be, right? Can it? I don't know. Is that full size? I have no idea. It's going to be so nice. It's matte, isn't it? Let's have a look. It's a lip paint. I'm guessing it's matte. Oh, quick dry matte lip paint. I'd prefer if it was a satin, but you know, you can't win with everything in life. Anyway, so it's just a basic nude color. I'll do a swatch because I haven't done a swatch in a good old time. It's very brown toned, so it's not very pinky at all, which I prefer a bit of a pink, but that's okay. This is really nice. I'm so excited. I'm just wondering if this is the full size, but I kind of don't want to look at the sheet thing yet until I see everything else. So the next thing I got in here was a fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. It's by Pure or Pur. I don't know. It's P-U-R. So it's just a mini mascara. That is what it looks like. I'm actually really excited about this because I feel like trying new mascaras is one thing I really enjoy about like sample boxes and stuff. So that is awesome. Really excited about that. You know what? I'm just going to have a look at this so I can tell you guys the prices. So the Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged Mascara is a sample size and it's 4 mils and it's $29 full, like for the 13 mil one. So this is obviously just a sample. So it's actually a pretty expensive mascara. It's pretty high-end priced. The Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint is a full-size product because this is 6 mils. Yeah, and this is $29. So literally this covers like the entire price of the Bella Box, which is awesome. So you'll either receive Bestie, which is this shade, or Vibing, which is like a dark purple shade. So excited that I got that one. The next thing I have in here is like the prettiest packaging. It's the Avoda, I think that's how you say it, Avoda Australia Victoria Rose Hand and Body Wash with Aloe Vera. And it's made in Australia, which is awesome. I don't know if you can see the product, but that's what it looks like. It's a hand and body wash, so I guess you could kind of keep it near your sink to wash your hands with, or you could actually take it in the shower with you. So that is awesome. I'm actually super excited about this. That's a really good product. This one is a sample size, so it's 100 mils. But the 400 ml one goes for $13.95. It's available at Maya and selected pharmacies. Really excited about this, and it's rose, and I do actually like rose scented things. Next up, we have the Burt's Bees Wild Cherry Moisturizing Lip Balm, which is awesome because I think I have tried Burt's Bees, but I haven't tried like the tinted kind of ones before. This one is a full size and it's valued at $6.95. You can get it at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, and Coles. So that is that one there. You'll either get wild cherry or strawberry. So I got the darker shade, which I actually prefer because I feel like it'll tint my lips a little bit more, which is awesome. Super excited about that. And that's another Australian brand, I believe. Isn't Burt's Bees Australian? I don't know. Maybe I'm just making shit up. No, it's made in the US, so don't know what I'm talking about. So next we have this Vitamasks Sleep-In Mask. Mine is the mango one. This looks so awesome. It's literally like in here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like coming out. Oh my god, that is so cool. Anyway, this one comes in a lot of different like flavors or scents or whatever. They're all to do with like fruit. They're valued at $3. So this one is valued at $3. It's a full size, I would say. Yeah, it's a full size. And it's actually a Korean skincare product. And you can get it at Priceline, which is awesome. So I'm actually super excited to use this because I love trying out new masks. And this is what it looks like. So you actually get like a little spoon here to like apply it. I don't know if you guys can see. Like a little spoon, and then there is the product in there, which is so cool. And I've never tried like a sleep-in mask. So that is going to be interesting. This is the soothing one, which is very nice. I'm literally so excited about this. Sounds amazing. Anyway, so I got that one. Next, we've got like a random little extra. This is the Nature's Common Sense Goat's Milk and Oatmeal Body Wash. So it's just a little sample, which I probably won't use because I hate using sachets like this. But anyway, that is all that I got in there. So I got 5 products total and I paid $10, which I think that's pretty damn good. If I could get it for $10 every month, I would continue my subscription, but I don't know if I will because $20 is a bit expensive for me to be doing every month, but you know, uni student budget. But anyway, also the lip paint has actually dried matte and it's literally like not budging at all. So I'm really excited to test this out on my lips soon. I'm sure it'll look really good. Also, oh my god, I literally can't talk today. Like, I can't get words out. Like, I want to say things, but I just can't say them. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.